Hey there, YouTubers. Just giving you the latest update on the 65. So it's been doing a lot of sitting. Haven't really had too much work in it. Been busy. But, as far as body goes, it's a majority of the way there. I've got that Miata spoiler all in. Tail lights are in. The back portion, I know it's hard to see here. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, let's see if we can zoom now. Like I said, most of the body's done, brake work, suspension. There's gonna be small dings and stuff to take care of as we go. And as you know already, we've already replaced this fender mount. We just need a fender for it, because the original one, I'll show you, is pretty garbage. And of course, this was the better side. And we just need to acquire that so I can cut that out and replace it. I think for around $100 I can get it shipped here, but that'll be the next part. And of course, shocks and everything, have been done on it. Still got to finish up this section. Still got to finish out that. Again, you may hate it, but I think I like that little bit of a ducktail on her. Just changes it just slightly. Like, see here, one of the newest things, I guess, is the exhaust is put back on her. It's all original as far as I know, and it's got the original style muffler. That's new. That's the only thing I had to change on it. But all the way back it's been ceramic coated, so hopefully it lasts another lifetime. And my newest acquisitions, the original gas tank was completely rotted. I mean, it had I'll show you what I acquired. Here is a new gas, well, new to me. It's used, but it's like new. It's got the original coating, very little rust on the edges. It's got no rust inside here. I don't know, I don't have a flashlight, but there is no rust in here. I'm gonna end up coating it, probably with KBS coatings or Pour 15. I don't know which one is the best, but I'll end up coating that. And of course I'm gonna rust treat the outer edge, but I mean, this thing is damn near perfect, and acquired it for $100, so you can't beat that. And the other acquisition, which I started on, was the fender for this side, but of course I can't mount it. That too was about, I think, $120. So, and this is again an original fender. I had to straighten a little bit of a dent here, and of course still have to Bondo it. But there is little to no rust on it. I've already, as you can tell, started priming it and everything. I'm probably gonna eliminate the antenna, put a shark fin in the center on the back of the roof, got one dent here to pound out, but it's got a perfect lip, which on my others were all completely rotten out, and as well as these were all rotten out on mine. And just looks really, really good in here. Very little rust. And we'll show you the old ones. I kept them just for now for referencing if I needed to, but you know, these lips are completely gone. Both of them, you know. And that fender I showed you, that's new, that's replacing this one. And this is the better one. You know, just completely gone from all this. And this was the bad one. Still need to acquire this fender, but as you can see, that headlight mount, completely gone. This fender is trash. So once I get that, I'll have all the body for that, and the body will be complete, and I will move, Freddy, be able to do the interior. Oh, not yet, buddy. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, okay. Just break it. There you go. Okay. Go ahead, one. So anyways, that's the status of the Volvo Amazon. You know, it's coming along slowly, but it's fun. I enjoy it. Interior is going to be some work. That's where it starts, in my opinion, getting expensive because, well, honestly, I can't make those components. Anything metal and stuff I can fabricate and whatnot, but that requires a lot of purchasing. But anyways, that's the story on it. That's where I'm at, and I'll give you an update later on, and you guys have a good one. Later.